Hi everybody, I am Alessandro Boncio, this is RenderKing.it, and today I want to show you a really simple and fast tutorial. I want to show you how to create a text starting from cubes. Really fast but really crazy tutorial. So let's start. We have a cube, simple cube. We make it smaller, like 10, 10, 10. Yes, 10, 10, 10. Really small. And then add a cloner object. Make cube as a child of the cloner. And then go to change mode to grid. Change value here, here, and here. So we have a bigger cube made with some other cubes. Let's start. Okay. In this case, we can add some effectors to have a simple animation. You can find this kind of tutorial around on internet, on YouTube, on Vimeo, many other tutorials like this. In this case, we don't talk about how to clone a cube, but we talk about how to generate text from cubes. So this first part of tutorial is really simple, and I don't want to explain other things. You can find around on internet the same thing. So go to fall off, make linear, for example, linear, yes, and then change some values on parameter, scale, uniform, then we put -1, and if you want some rotation, 90, 0, 90, for example, and you can see this kind of animation. Go to planar, fall off, orientation, yes, no, not -y. Alright, i8 trackpad, it's official. Perfect. Now we can add our null object, for example. Yes, null object, and then we can add another cloner object, make the null as a child of the cloner, then the same thing, grid array, change values 60, 60, 60. Alright, perfect. And then go to see the animation moving your plane. Alright, perfect. Obviously, you can make other animation, you can add other effectors. Why not? You can add, for example, random and parameters, rotation 180, so yes, 180, fall off, same, linear, and then -y. Perfect. Change visualization, and then go to place on 0 Alright. For example, we can select together, then move. Yes, you have a fast building. Yes, pretty cool. Now we have to add some text, or maybe more text. Yes, perfect. And we can type text. Yes, bigger. And change font. Change font. I hope. Yes. Footer. Depth. More depth. 50. Alright. It's just an example. It don't matter. You can type anything you want. And make it smaller. Perfect. For my tutorial, I want small text. Okay. Now select anything but not the text and go to place in the correct position. Voila. Perfect. And the important is to make a cloner bigger than text. So we have to add some cloner object yes, we have to make it bigger. Select all and put in the middle. Perfect. Increase this count number. 8 or 9, I don't know. Yes, 8, then perfect. As you can see, we have a big cloner object. And moving your effectors, you have this construction or this building. We can stretch a little bit the text if you want, or if you want you can change font. Alright, I have made it smaller. Yes, it's just an example. You can make it as you want. In this case, we can say a little space here, so you have to make it smaller. We try 200. It's too little. 210. Perfect. 210 is perfect. Now we have to add on this project a bool object. Select cloner, put it as a child, then select MoText and put it as a child. Perfect. Then we have to change Boolean type to intersect. Alright. Switch off high quality for the moment. It's a little bit heavy, but it's a really crazy tutorial. So the final thing is you have to put the first keyframe on the first step, in the first position, and select the keyframe. Then go to another keyframe and put it on the second position. Yes, you can see how the text is built, sorry. Yes, you can put higher, for example, 200. Yes, perfect. 200, yes. And put the second keyframe. This computer is not really fast. It's oh yes, it's a laptop, but you can see the creation of the text really, really crazy, really, really cool. If you want, you can change a file off on the planar and on the random to have a cool effect. For example, you can give less fall off. Yes, but we have to make another thing. We have to create two textures, and the first one we can type the name interior and make it black, for example, or darker, just to see the effect. And we can put the interior on the cube. And the second material we can call it exterior. I don't know, like you want, and put on the more text. It's really cool because you can see different materials that change, that create the text, morphing the color. Really, really cool. As you can see in the preview, the text is building from black cubes and then became white text. You can choose any text you want. It's really, really fantastic. That's fast, that's really simple, as you can see. But I think it's a new way to use a cloner object and a simple cube. You can find many other tutorials to use cube and cloners, but I think it's really original to use it, as you can see, with Motext. Thank you for your time, and see you soon on RenderKing.it for the next tutorial. Bye!